Welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making honey jerk shrimp. I'm using colossal shrimp. I cleaned and deveined and now I'm seasoning my shrimp. I will have all my ingredients listed down below in the description box. Next, I'm going to add in my jerk seasoning and I'm going to toss that very well. Now I'm going to take some skewers and I'm going to add my shrimp to them. Next, I'm going to add my shrimp to my skewers. I have my grill preheated and my coals are ready. So next we're going to grill our shrimp. Now I'm only going to grill these for 2 minutes each side, and then I'm going to grill them for 30 seconds each side once we put the sauce on them for a glaze. So this is basically just a light grill. Now in a pan that's preheated, I'm going to add in water. Next I'm going to add in brown sugar. And then I'm going to add in honey. I have my settings on a medium heat. Then I'm going to add in some low sodium soy sauce, a couple of seasonings, and next I'm going to add in some cornstarch mixed with water. Bringing that to a slight boil. Then add in hot sauce. Sprinkle in a little bit of parsley, which is optional for color. Now we're going to add in our jerk seasoning, just a touch. Give that a quick mix. We're going to let this sauce boil for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to turn our heat off and cool it. As your sauce is cooling, it will thicken up slightly. Once your shrimp are done, perfect texture, not overcooked, we're going to glaze it with our sauce. Turn it over, cook that for 30 seconds, then flip it for another 30 seconds. This recipe, as you can see, so quick and easy. I think that's the vibe we're going for this summer, quick and easy recipes. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story.